Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to change the background color of your text in your Notion website or the Notion desktop application. So now the first thing that I want you to do is to connect to your Notion web portal and sign in with your Google or Apple accounts, or you can just sign in with your email address. Otherwise, you can just open your desktop application and then just follow these simple steps. So here in this example, I'm going just to create this new page and add some text so I can show you how to add or change color, background color to the text. So here I'm going to add hello world, for example, like that. And now we want to select our text, and the toolbar will appear here. So as you can see, a toolbar is appearing now. So basically, we want to give this text or this object, which is a text block, we want to give it a background color. So basically, you will go to text color and search for background, and now we can give background color to our text. Or you can just select your object by clicking on this 6 points icon, and a pop-up menu will turn here, or it will appears, and then you will find an option that is called color and search for the background, and now you can choose the background color that you want and you can give it to your block. So basically there are two background colors that you can apply. Either you can apply it to your blocks, or you can apply it to your text by selecting the text and waiting for the toolbar to appear and give it another uh, background color. So basically this is how you change background colors in Notion. Thank you for watching and see you next time.